Hey guys, we're here in Sichuan, CHEFCHAOUEN. It's 9 in the morning. The town is just waking up now. I'm looking for some breakfast to bring back home. Yeah, this town wakes up fairly late, around 9:10. Before 9, everything is still closed. Look at this beautiful blue city. Just amazing. The doors, everything is incredible. The doors, the windows.
And the shop with leather, say just for your friends.
Leather bags.
Yeah.
Handmade?
Handmade, all back.
Handmade, all handmade. Everything beautiful. Shukran. So the theories behind the color blue here, I'm sure you know, is that the Jews that established this city painted it blue for spiritual reasons. After the Spanish expulsion and the Spanish Inquisition, maybe many Jews came here. And also after the World War II, after the Holocaust, many Jews came here as well. But when the state of Israel came to be, they left for many reasons to Israel or the United States, and today it's all a Muslim city. But it's incredible, they're very respectful, extremely nice. So this is here, Mosque Rif El Andalus. This mosque was built by Andalusian refugees to the city between 1540 and 1560. Yeah? Okay, let's continue. There are many small shops here, bazaars, but unlike in Tangier, they're not really trying to push products into your face and make a sale. If you're interested, great. If you're not, you can go on your way. Nothing happened. Really chilled out. Mountain people, I guess. Now, look at this. A photographer's dream. A vlogger's dream. Just incredible. Yeah, you guys really have to come here, especially if you live in Europe. Come on, it's like really close, not expensive. No, that's me. Yeah. Yeah, many people here do not like their picture taken or being on video, so you have to watch out and be respectful. They don't get mad, but they're not happy, let's put it that way. So you do have to watch out and be a bit respectful how you shoot, where you shoot, and try to explain to them that you're not going to put them on film if they don't want to, obviously. Okay, so that's why I'm shooting more selfie than around, because there are quite a few people here. I should have left half an hour earlier. It would have been totally empty. We'll do that tomorrow. But for now, I'll turn it when the streets are more empty, which is not really going to happen now. Tourists don't care. So this is a very touristic city. Many backpackers, for reasons that have to do with mountains and tourism in Morocco. Check out north of Morocco the Atlas Mountains, and you'll figure out why there are many backpackers here. I'll just give you a small hint. Yeah? Okay. Here you can get orange juice, fresh orange juice. 5 dinar for a small cup, 7 dinar for a big cup. Freshly squeezed, amazing. 7 dinar is like 70 cents American, 60 cents European. Really cheap, really fresh. But the prices change, yeah? It goes all the way up to 20 dinar, which is about $2. So you need to shop around for your orange juice. Okay. And there are many cats here, many cats. And little kittens. Hello, kitten. Hello, kitty. Oh, they're so small. Oh, they're so small. Yeah, when I left the room like 20 minutes ago, it was cold. That's why I'm wearing a sweater. And now it's getting hot. It's going to be around 30 degrees today. When I left the room, it was like 14. Crazy. But I like sleeping when it's colder and walking around when it's warmer. So awesome for me, no? Okay. Look at these doors. They're everywhere. Yeah, these doors are everywhere. No matter where you look. Just amazing. Okay, we'll show you a bit more of this blue city. Here you can buy paintings of the blue city. Assalamu alaikum. And they have water here, public water. People are taking photographs everywhere here. This is like Instagram heaven. And orange juice. Traditional clothing that they are using, of course. More paintings. And more Instagram heaven. Yeah, when in Tangier, it's funny, in Tangier we were more or less the only people vlogging and people were looking strange at us. But here everybody's Instagramming, vlogging, everything. Yeah. Full on tourists. But still the local people don't feel comfortable with having their pictures taken, so it's interesting. Okay guys, I think that will be enough for now. Here's a few more blue doors for you to enjoy, for those who enjoy doors in the color blue. You get both of them at once, doors and blue, blue doors. Oh, here's a door that's not blue. Okay, not all doors are blue. That's a special door. It says I'm individual, I don't want to be blue, I'll be a different color. So yeah, so this one is brown, but 90% are blue. Okay guys, hope you'll keep joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. The commenting is important as well. The subscribing is also important. We need you to support us to continue what we're doing. Anyway, we're having the time of our lives, definitely. Okay, I'll get some breakfast and go back to Natalie and Maya and we'll start our... So this is the first Muslim cemetery established outside the city walls in the period of its founder, who died in 1511. Okay, another one of the sites. First cemetery, first Muslim cemetery in the city, founded in 1511. Now, I have to tell you the truth, I am a little bit lost. Well, a little bit, I have no idea where I am. But that's the best part of traveling, getting lost, finding your way back, asking people. It's nice, but everything is starting to wake up now. So it's going to be a lot more difficult to video as people, a lot of local people, so it means you have to be careful where you put your lens and all that stuff. But okay, so I'm going to try to find out how to get back to the room, get some breakfast for the girls, and then we'll go vlogging as a family. Yeah? Okay guys, here is, I have no idea what this is. Police station, I guess. I don't know what this is. Something governmental or other. No, no English. No English, no French, no Spanish. No nada. Okay guys. So we'll see you later. Hopefully I'll find my way back. If not, I'll keep vlogging from CHEFCHAOUEN forever. Okay guys, see you later.